Are you sick and tired of doing crunches until you're blue in the face, only to stare back at the same stubborn belly fat in the mirror? Have you tried every diet under the sun, cut out carbs, sugar, even looked at food sideways, but that midsection bulge just won't budge? If you've been fighting a losing battle with your belly, then stop what you're doing, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to reveal the shocking truth about why that fat is sticking around and exactly what you need to do to finally conquer it. Trust me, it's not what you think. Hey Lose Zone fam, it's your name here, and today we're tackling one of the most frustrating topics in fitness, belly fat. It's not just about how it looks. That visceral fat wrapped around your organs is a serious health risk. But here's the kicker. Most of the advice out there about losing it is either incomplete, misleading, or just plain wrong. And that's why so many of you are stuck. Let's kick things off by busting the biggest myth, spot reduction. You cannot crunch your way to a flat stomach. I repeat, you cannot spot reduce. While AB exercises strengthen your core, they don't magically burn the fat sitting on top of those muscles. Your body decides where it loses fat from, and unfortunately, the belly is often the last place for many. So, if your workout consists solely of hundreds of sit-ups, you're missing the bigger picture. Now, let's dive into the real reasons. And number one might surprise you. Hormones. Specifically, one called cortisol. Cortisol is your stress hormone. In small bursts, it's helpful, but chronic stress means chronically high cortisol. And guess what high cortisol loves to do? It tells your body to store fat, specifically in your abdominal area. Think about it. Are you constantly stressed about work, finances, family? That stress isn't just in your head, it's impacting your waistline. We'll talk about practical ways to manage this later. Next up, your diet. And I'm not just talking about obvious junk food. We're talking about hidden sugars and refined carbohydrates. These spike your blood sugar, which triggers insulin, and insulin's job is to store energy, often as fat. Even seemingly healthy foods can be culprits if they're packed with these. Think about those low-fat options that are loaded with sugar to make them taste good, or the massive portions of seemingly healthy whole grains. It's not just about what you eat, but how much and the quality of those calories. Two more often overlooked factors: NEAT, non-exercise activity, thermogenesis. This is all the movement you do outside of structured exercise. Walking, fidgeting, taking the stairs. If you have a sedentary job and then go home to sit on the couch, your NEAT is probably super low. Even 10,000 steps a day makes a huge difference. Sleep. Oh, glorious sleep. If you're consistently getting less than 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, you're sabotaging your efforts. Lack of sleep messes with hunger hormones, ghrelin and leptin, making you crave unhealthy foods, and again, can elevate cortisol. It's a vicious cycle. So, how do we fix it? It's not one magic pill, it's a holistic approach. Stress management. Incorporate mindfulness, meditation, deep breathing, or even just a 15-minute walk in nature. Prioritize activities that de-stress you. Whole foods diet. Focus on lean protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates from vegetables and fruits. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive refined grains. Prioritize sleep. Create a consistent sleep schedule. Make your bedroom dark and cool, and put screens away an hour before bed. Movement beyond crunches. Combine strength training with cardio. And yes, you can do effective exercises at home. Here are a few fundamental exercises you can do right now with no equipment to boost your overall fitness and help with fat loss. Squats. Great for your entire lower body and gets your heart rate up. Push-ups. Works chest, shoulders, and triceps. Do them on your knees if needed. Plank. A fantastic core exercise that doesn't involve crunching. Hold for 30-60 seconds. Lunges. Another powerful lower body move. Alternate legs. Burpees, modified if needed. A full-body explosive movement that's excellent for cardio and calorie burn. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 10-15 reps for the strength exercises and incorporate 30 to 60 seconds of plank. Do a circuit of these 3 to 4 times a week, combined with consistent walking or other cardio. You've just uncovered the real reasons why that belly fat has been so stubborn. It's not about endless crunches. It's about hormones, stress, sleep, and a smarter approach to nutrition and movement. Now you have the truth and the power to change things. But here's the thing. This is just the tip of the iceberg. If you're ready to dive even deeper into specific meal plans, advanced home workouts, and foolproof strategies to finally melt away that stubborn belly fat for good, then you absolutely cannot miss our next video. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell now, because what I reveal next will transform your body and your health forever. You won't want to miss it. Affecting abdominal fat distribution.